Meri Ganga quiz game. In the industries that surround Ganga, in the belief systems that are a part of our DNA, in the cultures, traditions and values that we have imbibed over centuries, well, there are a lot of sheer mind-boggling facts that surround Ganga, and yet the modern onslaught slays it all.
144 drains empty 3,535 liters of sewage every day into the Ganga. And that's only about the class 1 and 2 towns. 761 industries have been classified as highly polluting. Canneries, textile industries, dyeing and bleaching, pulp and paper, cement, chemical industries, and many more are the worst culprits. And that's besides agricultural runoffs, open defecation, partially cremated bodies, and pious refuse.
How then we clean up this mess? We will surround this and many more questions in this 5th quarterfinals of Meri Ganga quiz, where we have the brilliant students from the Eastern Zone. So let's give them a round of applause and welcome them right here.
Yes, Priyanka, let's get cracking with the quiz.
Welcome back to Meri Ganga quiz. Now here we are to raise awareness about cleaning Ganga and actually raising the consciousness and spirituality of not just this generation but generations to come. And here we have the hands of these brilliant kids who have joined us in this quest, right? So Meri Ganga welcomes the 3 teams that are representing the Eastern Zone today. And in Team A, we have Swastika Sinha and Shayandeep Chakraborty from DAV Model School, West Bengal. Please guys, give them a big round of applause. Welcome. In Team B, we have Preeti Ranjan Samal and Chirantan Sardar from Glorious English Medium School, Orissa. Well guys. In Team C, we have Ritankar Bhattacharya and Rishi Divyakirti from Delhi Public School, Jharkhand. Well guys. And unfortunately, as always, we have a 4th team as well, but today they have bailed out on us. They were going to be students from Chhattisgarh School Sri Shankaracharya Vidyalaya, Hutko. So they have not joined us, but what about our audiences? We have absolutely great bunch of people sitting right in front of us. They are from Ashta Public School, Noida Extension. Now you are going to be playing as the 4th team. What say, Alan sir?
Absolutely.
So let's talk about the point system now.
We will have 4 rounds of quizzing in the 5th quarterfinals. The first will be a direct round. The second one will be a buzzer round. The third one will be a rapid fire round. And the 4th one will be an audio-visual round. In the direct round, that's the first round, we'll put 1 question to each team and give them a few options to select from as their answer. If they are able to give us the correct answer, they pick up 20 points. So Team A, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Because I want to give you your first question.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So Team A, here is your question. Coliform bacteria in the water is an indication of the presence of A. Radioactive waste, B. Excessive fertilizer, C. Decaying animals and plants, or D. Human feces.
D. Human feces.
And that's the right answer. You pick up 20 points right away, right at the beginning of the show. Good work. Team B, here is your question. Who among the following is credited with the composition of Shri Shri Ganga Stotram? A. Shri Adi Shankaracharya, B. King Bhagirathi, C. Sage Vishwamitra, D. Sage Vasishtha.
D. Sage Vasishtha.
And that's a wrong answer. you missed out on winning that 20 points. Anyone in the audience? Yes? Let's see. Absolutely right. Sri Aditi Pracharya. Give a big hand, please. That is the right answer. Team C. Here is your question. Which town on the banks of river Ganga is also known as the yoga capital of the world? A. Haridwar, B. Patna, C. Rishikesh, or D. Varanasi?
It's C. Rishikesh. C. Rishikesh.
Absolutely right. Team C, you get 20 points. You got the right answer. It is C. Rishikesh. I paused a bit because I wanted to see your confidence level. I was trying to gauge that. Very good. Known as the world capital of yoga, Rishikesh is what the world looks at when it comes to learning and practicing yoga. Team D, here it's your... Okay, this question has to go to the audience. Is the audience ready? Team D. Alright, so Team D, here is your question. On which river is the Meri Dam situated? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Alaknanda, or D. Bhagirathi?
Alaknanda.
That's a wrong answer. Anyone else? Girls going ahead once again? And you're wrong this time.
D. Bhagirathi.
Absolutely correct. D. Bhagirathi is the right answer. Please give him a big hand.
No, you got more leeways than we actually offer. You got 3 chances, but then you got it right in the end. That's not bad. Okay.
So that's Team D playing.
Yes,
Good.
absolutely.
Alright, so that brings us to the end of the first round, that was the direct round, and we'd like to look at the scores here. So at the end of the first round, that is the direct round, Team A and Team C are poised at 20 points, whereas Team B has to still open up their scores.
Quiz. Who will pick the witty nitty-gritty? That's what we are going to find out in round 2 of this contest, and it is called the buzzer round. यानी कि इसमें आप पास ऑन कर सकते हैं और पॉइंट की डिडक्शन भी होगी. इसको विस्तार से बताने के लिए Alan, can you please help me?
Yes, surely. So this is the second round. Priyanka put it as a pass-on round. However, we add to it. It's a buzzer round 2. We'll put one question to the 3 teams and give them a few options. The team which hits the buzzer first will get an opportunity to answer the question. If they are able to give us the correct answer, they pick up 20 points. But if they miss that chance and are not able to answer the question, they will lose 10 points. The other 2 teams are not to be discouraged. Even though they don't hit the buzzer, they still have a chance. Because if the first team does not answer, the next 2 teams get a chance in sequence. And the second team, if they are able to answer, they pick up 15 points. And the third team, of course, quite effortlessly will pick up 10 points if they give us the right answer. So Priyanka, can we start the buzzer round, please?
Now the very first question that comes your way, listen to it carefully. Among several other names, Ganga is also known as option A, Ragini, option B, alright, C, press the buzzer, but let me complete the options. Option B, Kalindi, option C, Jahnavi, option D, Lopamudra.
Option C, Jahnavi.
That's absolutely correct! You hit the bull right on its head. That is the correct answer. Well, flowing down from Shiva's matted hair, Ganges followed Bhagirathi and passed through the hermitage of Sage Janu. The torrential flow of the river destroyed his fields as well as disturbing his meditation. The angry sage consumed all the Ganges. Upon prayers, he accepted to release the river through his ears, giving the name Jahnavi, the daughter of Sage Janu, as she came out from him. Alright, so that explains your answer. Now we'll go to question number 2. Which among the following test is used to determine amount of organic compounds in water? Option A, TDS test. Option B, COD test. Option C, TTS test. Option D, TOC test. As usual, Team C, you were very quick in pressing the buzzer. What's your answer?
The answer is COD test.
That's absolutely correct. Yes. So they picked, and you
They
are
pick up 20 points for this answer, and that makes it 40 for them in this round.
in this round. That's correct. Now the explanation for this would be, that would do you a lot of good if you actually remember this. A chemical oxygen demand test is used to measure the amount of organic compounds in a water sample. It measures the capacity of water to consume oxygen during the decomposition of organic matter and the oxidation of inorganic chemicals such as ammonia and nitrate. Alright now, question number 3. Time for A and B teams to actually catch up with Team C. From which glacier does river Alaknanda originate? So alright, Team B, press the buzzer, but let me complete the options. Option A, Satopant Glacier. Option B, Siachen Glacier. Option C, Namik Glacier. Option D, Pindari Glacier.
It's option A, Satopant Glacier.
That's absolutely correct. The Alaknanda River flowing in Uttarakhand is one of the two head streams of holy river Ganga. The source of Alaknanda River is the confluence of Satopant Glacier and Bhagirathi Karak Glacier. So, question number 4, the last of this round. Which of the following cities is situated on the left bank of river Ganges? Option A, Kanpur. Option B, Allahabad. Option C, Patna. Okay. Option D, Varanasi. And Team A, what's your answer?
Yeah, Mama.
That's a wrong answer, and you lose 10 points for that.
Correct. So now, the question goes on to
Team B.
Team B.
If you say that minus marking is there,
There's no minus marking for a pass wrong answer.
let's log D, Varanasi.
That's absolutely
Right,
correct.
and 15 points.
That's a great comeback, Team B. With this, we've come to the end of round 2 of the 5th quarterfinals of Meri Ganga quiz, and let's have a look at the scorecard.
At this stage in the competition, the score is as follows. Team A at 10 points, Team B at 35 points, and leading right now is Team C with 60 points.
Those are the participants who have been selected through the My Gov app. You also have a chance to participate in this quiz by answering the question, which will be shown towards the end of the program. Please read the question and send your answers on the link shown on the screen. Your answers must reach us by 5 p.m. on the coming Wednesday. The names of the winners chosen by the computer draw will be presented on the coming episodes of the series. Special prizes will be given to winners with the right answers.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
नमस्ते, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरी गंगा क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट में।
The questions,
And the question goes to Team D.
the answers,